Smyrnium olusatrum is a perennial herbaceous plant native to the Mediterranean region. It was cultivated by the ancient Romans and Greeks and was a popular food source in ancient times. Alexander's leaves, stems, and young shoots are edible. They have a flavor similar to celery and are used in salads, soups, and stews. The plant has a strong aromatic scent that becomes more pronounced when the leaves are crushed. In traditional herbal medicine, Alexander's was used for various medicinal purposes, including as a diuretic and for digestive issues. Alexander's can be found in coastal areas, waste places, and along roadsides in its native regions. It produces clusters of small yellow flowers in umbrella-like umbels, typical of plants in the Apiaceae family. The flowers of Alexander's attract pollinators, including bees and butterflies. Alexander's has historical significance, as it was mentioned in classical texts, and was a staple in ancient Roman and Greek cuisine. It has become naturalized in parts of Northern Europe and the United Kingdom, where it can be found growing in the wild.